Hi beauties, welcome back to the True Glory Hair channel. My name is Jasmine and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to seamlessly blend your clip-in extensions. One of the reasons why I love clip-in extensions is that they give me that volume and thickness that my natural hair just does not have. So today we have the Virgin Brazilian Body Wave clip-ins by True Glory Hair, and with the clip-ins they come in all these different weft sizes. So we have 1 clip, 2 clips, 3 clips, and even 5 clip weft clip-ins. So no matter how big or small your head, you'll be able to fit them in your hair securely. So I find that the easiest way to apply clip-ins is to start from the bottom up. So I'm just taking my 2 thumbs and making a part of the bottom layer of my hair. You can use a comb if you'd like. It was just easier for me to use my nails, but if you want to be more precise, you can use a comb. But these parts do not have to be perfect. That's the great thing about clip-ins, is that either way, they will look good in the end. So you just want to secure those clip-ins right along the line of that part. And as you can see, they are already blending seamlessly. So then we're going to take our hair down and we're going to make another part right above that weft that we just placed. As you can see, it was enough hair to cover that clip-in that we already placed down. So now we're just going to repeat that same process and continue working our way up our head and clipping in those clip-in extensions. So after we're finished applying some of the clip-ins to the back, I like to make sure that there are enough clip-ins in the front of my hair so that it looks very natural and I don't have like a long bunch of hair in the back and then my natural hair is only showing in the front. So I like to part along the sides of my head, like right above my ears, and this is where I'll usually use those 1 and 2 clip wefts because they fit perfectly right along the side of my head. And I'm applying these last few clip-ins right under where my part would be. I'm doing a middle part today, so I am applying these clip-ins accordingly. If you were to do a side part, you would just apply them around that part. It's super duper easy once you get the hang of it. Now, as you can see, when I'm brushing these out, there are literally no lumps, no bumps. They blend seamlessly with my hair, other than the fact that they are body wave and my hair is straightened. But once we style that, it'll be seamless. Chef's kiss. And I could even put my hair in a ponytail. You see how smooth that is? It literally looks like my natural hair. You don't see any clips, any wefts whatsoever. So now we're gonna get to styling. I'm just gonna speed through this real quickly. Make sure you apply a heat protectant just as you would your natural hair. Because this is virgin hair, you wanna make sure you are protecting it at all times. And I'm just gonna go ahead and style my hair like I normally would. with a flat iron, just making body wave curls. And as you can see, after styling the hair, that blend is seamless. You would not be able to tell me that this was not growing from my scalp. It literally looks gorgeous. Honestly, it gives me all the volume that I need. From looking at my hair before without clip-ins, it just looks so flat, thin, and this just gives me all the volume and body that I was looking for. But now we got to finish off the look with some of the True Glory beauty products. So these are the 3D mink lashes in the style Lennox, and we're just going to go ahead and pop those on the eye. I love these lashes because they look so natural. They're not too fluffy, not too long. They give like that natural, effortless look. And lastly, we're going to top the look off with some True Beauty lip liqueur, and this is in the shade Upscale. It's a clear gloss with flecks of a glitter in it, so it gives like the perfect natural pop. And there you have it, guys, the final look. All compliments of True Glory hair products. I'm absolutely in love. It looks so natural, so effortless, and the hair looks like it's growing from my scalp. Make sure you check out some of these amazing products that I used today. They will be linked in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.